And after a long time, let's start and learn how I go from this to this and finally to this. For people who have joined me recently, my name is Neha and I make makeup tutorials and I also teach makeup which you can actually do in your real life and not in only fantasy world. So let's start. Here I followed a new trend where people put all different steps of makeup into one and blend it together. So let's just start and see how it actually goes. As you can see, I do not have a flawless face. I do have dark circles, I do have pigmentation, so I'm just wondering how I'm going to just put everything in one go. So let's just try. I'm taking orange corrector because of course I do have marks. And now to cover this orange color, I have to put concealer and followed literally everything but in one go. I don't even know how will it look and most importantly how will I blend it all together. So now my favorite part is coming, that is blush, and I just love blush. And I'm actually just wondering where will I just put it so that it doesn't get mixed with my foundation. And here I'm going to just skip one step, that is contouring, because I do not use liquid contour, I use cream and I don't actually want to ruin everything. So let's just blend, and before blending I have sprayed makeup fixing spray so that it doesn't stick to my skin and everything just melts down. I have actually blended my dark color first and later on light color, and blush will be the end part because I don't want my blush to be overpowered by my foundation. So now it's turn for blush and let's blend it and see how it actually goes. So here I'm using brush to blend it. Let's see how it goes. I think I'm kind of like it right now because it looks so glowy and everything. It doesn't look over, but I think I need more blush, so I'm going to put more because I love blush. If ever you feel you have too much blush on you, so simply just go back and grab your same beauty blender or brush you blended your foundation with before you apply any powder product or bake your face. It will actually even everything out. Okay, so just because my skin was not flawless, I could not add brightness well. So as I didn't want to turn gray, I am putting very less amount of highlighter to get desired amount of brightness. And before I set my face with powder, I need to blend away all the lines around my mouth and eyes and then set it lines free. And let me just quickly do my contouring. Here I'm using powdered contouring because it's very hot and I don't want to melt down. So I'm so amazed, by the way, how fine my makeup looks. I mean, nothing extra, I already am a fan. So let's start with my eyes. I have already primed my eyelid. You should also do that before you start makeup. And now here I'm using Sugar Cosmetic palette and taken a nude color to create a crease. Now a dark brown color from Nika palette from my outer depth and for crease as well. Let's go back to Sugar palette again and grab this beautiful orange and put it all over my center of eyelid and around. Put some of your lower lash line also to get a beautiful effect. And now it is the time for my favorite color of the look, that is purple. So this is a loose pigment and I ordered from Glitter Mafia and I think it's pretty amazing. Using a tissue here to protect my base from any kind of fallout, and followed by K Beauty's Kajal over the lash and under the upper lash line as well, because I am not going to apply any liner, so I've just created this tight line. And now curl your lashes a bit and apply mascara up and down. I'm not going to wear any false eyelashes, so I am concentrating on my real eyelashes so well here and putting mascara nicely. And for my inner corners, I have this pretty purple glitter, which you can also use from any glitter company or palette. That was from Huda. And to finish this look, I am applying a brown lipstick from Chambord because let my eyes do the talking and lips to be shut. And I love it, I guess. Last but not the least, highlighter and brow gel. And here is the complete look. Do let me know if you have any ideas, and till then follow, subscribe and share the love. Bye bye, see you in my next video.